Hello students, welcome all of you in the series of online classes, and our today's topic is after completing the question number 3 of exercise 14.3 of calculating median of grouped data. Now we are up to question number 4 of your exercise, and question number 4 is saying that the lengths of 40 leaves of a plant are measured correct to the nearest millimeter, and the data is obtained is represented in the following table. Length is given in the form of class interval, which is in millimeter, and length is 118 to 126, 127 to 135, 136 to 144, 145 to 153, and so on. Children, in this question you can see that the upper limit of a class, one class, is not equal to the lower limit of succeeding class. What I said? Remember, the upper limit of a class is not equal to the lower limit of the succeeding class. It means that the class interval is given in the inclusive form. It is not in exclusive form. And as you know that when class intervals are given in the inclusive form, then there will be no calculation. First you have to change it in the exclusive form. And you know it better, to change it in the exclusive form, we have to subtract 0.5 from lower limit and add 0.5 to the upper limit of each class. In this way, the class interval has been changed from inclusive series to exclusive series. So I am writing here the exclusive series for calculation. So see question number 4. The question number 4 is given length of the leaf, which is in the form of class interval, and which is subtracting 0.5 from lower limit. So 118 minus 0.5 will be 117.5, and adding 0.5 to the upper limit, so it will be 126.5. Okay, and in second class, when you subtract 127 0.5 from 127, it will become 126.5, and when you add 0.5 to the upper limit, then it will become 135.5. So in this way we have to proceed. So 135.5 to 144.5, 144.5, and again 144.5 to 153.5, and 153.5 to 162.5, 162.5. Now 162.5 to 171.5, and 171.5 to 180.5. So in this way, children, we see that our class interval has been changed from inclusive series to exclusive series. Now their corresponding frequencies are given. Number of leaves means Fi, which is given as below: 359, 359, 1254, 1254, and 2. 12, 5, 4 and 2. Now you are supposed to find the median length of the leaves. What will be the median length of the leaf? This is the length of leaves given in millimeter, and this is the number of leaves. Now we have to find the median length of the leaves. So first you calculate cumulative frequency. So your cumulative frequency will be 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 12, 29, 29 plus 4, 5, 34, 34 plus 4, 38, and 38 plus 2, which is 40. You add it and check it. 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 9, 17, 17 plus 12, 29, 29 plus 5, 34, 34 plus 4, 38, 38 plus 2, 40. So this is 40 also, and our the last cumulative frequency is also 40. So it means our cumulative frequency table is complete. Now we need to find its median. So here you write here n equals to 40. So n by 2 will be 40 by 2, which is 20. Now apply the formula of median. So median equals to be noted L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. Now your n is, yes, now n is 20, n by 2 is 20. So now you have to identify the median class. So 20 is more than 17 but less than 29. So your median class will be this: 144.5 to 153.5. This will be your median class. So now put the value. So lower limit of the median class is your 144.5 plus n by 2 is 20 minus cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, that is 17, by f, which is 12, into h. Your class size is 9 here, into 9. So simplify this: 144.5 plus 3 by 12 into 9. 3 4 are 12. So we have 144.5 plus 9 by 4. So when you divide it, 144.5 plus 4 2 ja 8, 0.0, again 4 2 ja 8, 205. So when you add it, you will have 1, yes, you will have 5, 5 to 7, 0.426, 146 millimeter is the median size of leaf. Is the median size of leaf. This is your required answer for this question. So children, now you have solved, we have solved this question, and this is our answer: 146.75. I think exercise 14.3, question number 4. So let's see the answer. Is it correct or not? 146.75. Yes, it is correct. So children, in this question, our main thing was to change the class interval from inclusive series to exclusive series in this question, because the class interval were given in the inclusive series, and you know it that if whenever class interval is in inclusive series, then there will be no any calculation. So to do calculation, first we have to change class interval from inclusive to exclusive by subtracting 0.5 from lower limit and adding 0.5 to the upper limit. So we have subtracted from the lower limit 0.5 and added 0.5 to upper limit. In this way, our class interval has been completed and frequency were given. So when frequency were given, then we calculate their cumulative frequency. Suppose so there is CF, cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency, we prepare the table of cumulative frequency, and we know that here n is 40. So n by 2 becomes 40 by 2, which is 20. And after that, putting the value on the formula of median, your median will become L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H. And this, after recognizing the median class, n by 2 is here 20 and 20 is more than 17 but less than 29. So your corresponding class having cumulative frequency 29 is your median class. And after recognizing the median class, we put the value in the formula. So it becomes 144.5 plus 20 minus 17 by 12 into 9. And simplifying it, 144.5 plus 3 by 12 into 9, 3 4 ja 12 get cancelled. So we have 144.5 plus 9 by 4, and dividing 9 by 4, you will get 144.5 plus 2.25, and adding it together, we got median size of the leaves of the plant is 146.75, and in this manner this question has been completed. Now let's see one more question from this exercise, and which will be the last question, because few questions, one or two questions will be left. So I will left for you 8 questions to do it yourself, because I have discussed maximum question from this exercise. So let's see one another question, which is question number 7, the last question of this exercise. The distribution below gives the weight of 30 students of a class. Find the median weight of the students. Weight is given. This is your last question of this exercise. We have weight, which is our class interval, which is in kg. Weight is given in kg. And weight is 40 to 45, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, and 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65, and 65 to 70, and 70 to 75. These are the weights, and the number of students, and the number of students, which is our Fi, is 2386, 2386, 2386, again 632, 632. This is our frequency. So once check we the frequency, which is 238.6632. Yes, 6632. And now we are supposed to find the median weight. This is also 6. And now when you add it together, n equals to, I think, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 6, 19, 19 plus 6, 25, 25 plus 3, 28, and 28 plus 2 will be 20. Here, 28 plus 2 will be 30. This is 30. Now we have to prepare the cumulative frequency table. So your cumulative frequency table will be 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 8, 13, 13 plus 6, 19, 19 plus 6, 25, 25 plus 3, 28, and 28 plus 2, 30. It is correct. Now here in this question, we have n equals to 30. So n by 2 will be what? 30 by 2, which is 15. So now apply the formula for median. Median will be, first you recognize the median class. So your median class is n equals to 15, which is 15 is more than 13 but less than 19. So this will be your the median class. The class corresponding of cumulative frequency 19. So apply the formula for median. L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. L equals to what? 55 plus your n by 2 is 15 minus Cf of the class preceding 13 by frequency 6, and class size is your 5. So it will be 55 plus 15 minus 13 will be 2 by 6 into 5. So 2 3 is 6. So now we have 55 plus 5 by 3. When you divide 55 plus, when you divide 5 by 3, you will got 1.6 again 6. So you can have 55 plus 1.7, that is 56.7 is the median weight of the student, which is in kg. So this is your required answer for this question also. This was also a simple question. So I think in this way, children, we have completed our exercise median. We have discussed many questions. 56.67 kg. Okay, 56.67 you may write, or 7, approx it is correct. So in this way we have solved this question. What we have done in this question? First we prepare the cumulative frequency column, and after that getting the value of n by 2, which is 15, and now putting all the value on the formula of median, which is L plus n by 2 minus Cf by f into h. Here L is 55 plus 15 minus 13 by 6 into 5. 5 is your class size, 15 is the value of n by 2, and 13 is the cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class. So solving it, 55 plus 2 by 6 into 5, 2 3 is 6, it will get cancelled. So we have 55 plus 5 by 3. When you divide 5 by 3, then you will get approx 1.67. So right here 1.67. So when you add it together, so it will be 56.67 kg. So in this way this question has been completed, and now all of you are supposed to do practice from exercise 14.3. You need to solve the all questions given in the exercise, in examples also, and some different questions from you can choose for different books also, to do more and more practice and to get over commanded. After doing a lot of practice, and keep one thing in your mind, for solving these type of questions, you must memorize the all formula in your mind. You have to keep the formula in your mind so that you can proceed what we have to find, how we have to find, and how we have to proceed. So in this way you can do better in mathematics. Okay, thank you.